Get ready for some underwater mysteries. The world's oceans are full of strange sounds, but none are quite like the Upsweep. Discovered by NOAA in 1991, Upsweep is a series of narrow-band sounds that sweep upward in frequency. It's so loud that it can be heard across the entire Pacific Ocean. But here's the kicker, no one knows exactly where it's coming from. Some scientists think it might be linked to underwater volcanic activity. The sound seems to originate between New Zealand and South America, an area notorious for its volcanoes. What's even more intriguing? Upsweep's volume has been decreasing since its discovery, but it's still detectable today. So what's causing this mysterious sound? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more mysteries waiting to be unraveled.